How to secure a sheet with a password. It's pretty typical for a large group of people to work on the same Excel file. But sometimes there are untrustworthy individuals or those who could cause problems due to a lack of good Excel skills. In this example, a large group of brand managers were asked to input spending proposals for the following year. Since the file that they need to add their proposals to also contains other data, budgets, that they are not allowed to change, the decision was made to give them permission to only make changes in the area marked in yellow. Before we restrict access to the sheet, first we need to unlock the cells that we want to be available. Then choose the range, right-click on it, select Format Cells, then Protection, and uncheck Locked. Now we'll enable the sheet protection. Under the Review tab, select Protect Sheet. In the Protect Sheet window, you can select what users can and cannot do. The default selection works well. And enter the password. The longer the password, the better. If the password is the same as our name or date of birth, it'll be too easy to guess. The best passwords are made up from the first letters of a sentence. For example, the password IRLTEC, which stands for I really like this Excel course, is easy to remember and difficult to guess. After pressing OK, it confirms the password you have chosen. The spreadsheet has now been blocked, and you can make it available to the brand managers. It's also a good idea to save it onto a shared drive. For details on that, watch my lesson Share Workbook. Everyone can change unlocked cells, but when you try to change blocked cells, you will see this message. Blocking the sheet only protects one sheet. All data in the other sheets of the file can be changed. If you want to protect the whole file, repeat this operation for each sheet. The Protect Workbook tool doesn't have the same effect as Protect Sheet when used on all of the sheets, but it prevents adding, deleting, hiding and unhiding the sheets, or changing the size and positions of windows, but typically this option isn't used. Unfortunately, it's possible to unlock the sheet even without knowing the password, but there are few people who can do it. If you think that I should share the knowledge on how to do this in a tutorial, leave a comment down below. Likewise, if you believe sharing hacking knowledge is unethical. I will calculate the votes after a while, and if the wannabe hackers win, I will add the information accordingly. Password protection. To protect the Excel file from being opened by using a password, click on File, then Info, Protect Workbook, and finally Encrypt with Password. Enter the password twice, then save and close the file. When you try to open a file like this again, this window will appear. If the correct password is entered, the file will open. If the password is incorrect, the following message will be displayed. Forgetting a file's password might mean losing all the data stored in it. There are programs on the internet that are supposedly able to hack into a password-protected file, but before downloading them, it's best to think twice because many of them are fake and install harmful or spyware software on your computer. The password can be permanently deleted by saving the file without using a password. After deleting the password and pressing OK, the file will be saved without a password. I recommend you watch all the lessons from the Excel for Beginners and Advanced Excel courses, and then check your skills by doing the Excel job interview tests, which are at the end of the Advanced Excel course.